Salut les amis, c'est Infiltration. On se retrouve dans une nouvelle vidéo dans Infiltrating the Airship. N'oubliez pas de laisser un pouce bleu et on va tout de suite commencer. Oh yeah! Avec son tank là. Du coup, ce sera le dernier jeu avec le bonhomme là. Je vais continuer
Well, look who finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempted robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man. Hey, how do you want me to bring you in?
Bon, alors je vais pirater l'ordinateur. Top secret. Oh mais c'est un jeu ça. Non. Bon, alors on va s'enfuir par les coups d'aération. Là. Là, mon caoutchouc.
Hein?
Oh, j'ai mal dans les couilles. Bon. Au secours, c'est quoi? C'est dans le jeu du téléporteur.
My apologies, everyone. Had to deploy some invasive maneuvers. A flock of ducks flew by.
Qu'est-ce qu'on va faire? Bon, là on va faire. Je deviens Super Mario. Youhou! Quoi ça? Je sais pas pourquoi est-ce que ça les choses. Ah bah si.
Hey you, stop right there.
What's going on? Looks like he set off some sort of alarm in the vault? What? He's going rogue? Alright, move to plan B. Call in reinforcements and move in. Yeah, this is Jeffrey. I got him right here, so you guys don't need to...
Oh la bataille.
Let's go, come on now! Wilson, we've got to get out of here. We've got chaos at our front doorstep. We're not built to deal with this, man. Go, evacuate everyone. I can take care of this.
Ah, décidé. On va choisir le prototype.
There he is! He's got the ruby. Now forget about it. We've got to retreat, or else the Topic clan will be history. Orders, Captain? Let him go. What? We got what we came for. He's not worth the trouble.
Là, c'était trop court.
Well, well.
Pourquoi il parle? On essaie de trouver le propagande.
Check, this is Charles. Just thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck.
C'est 4. La 6. Foutu vent. C'est pas juste. C'est moi. Oula. Bon, il reste qu'une chose.
Hey, good job there. Oh, so we should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, the whole point of this operation.
Alright, gentlemen. We've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas? I was kind of thinking... Right, so if we go up to 3 caliber... Hey, you there. What do you think you're doing? It's Smith, right? What are you doing here, mate? Your wife's just gone into labour. Take that escape pod behind you. It'll take you right to the hospital. Go ahead. Don't worry. I'll tell the chief.
Non, mais j'étais juste en retard. Oh. Bon, il ne reste plus que la queue forte.
No, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say.
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap. Huh?
Oh, c'est elle.
Alright, here it comes.
What's a cotton? Okay, press
I
the
think that guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you let me take care of this?
Understands this. Yeah. Alright, get to bring out the big guns.
Hey, you should be good to go now.
Ah, j'ai une voiture aussi.
Alright, hacked into their security system. Should be able to open the door from here.
Bonne nuit. Ah. Merci pour ta carte. C'est très
Oh
gentil.
man, I
Ah,
remember this.
je ne-
Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Oh man, that duck just flew right into the propeller. Oh, what a mess.
What? Il est parti au son ce week-end.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Oh man, that duck just flew right into the propeller. Oh, what a mess.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Falcon!
C'est un peu raté.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider.
Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. There's lots of guys and there's lots of guns. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct.
Oula.
Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do?
Meh.
Okay. I don't understand what that means. Okay, shutting down the power now.
Ah, merci.
Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine.
C'est bon.
Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors and I'll get you on the chopper.
Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay.
Fais bon. Ah. Ça s'appelle du suicide.
Psst, hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
What's going?
Lui.
This could be a problem.
Mais on n'a pas récupéré
Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do?
Oups. Attendez.
Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine.
Sniff.
Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors and I'll get you on the chopper.
Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay.
On se la banane. voilà. 3, 2, 1. Ah. Bon, on va retourner au début. Qu'est-ce qu'on va utiliser? On va déjà utiliser, donc on va utiliser canon bulle.
Hey, I've been looking at the numbers here. What do you think? Ah, yes. Let me have a look.
Une bulle. Oh.
Go, I'll hold him off.
Vite, cours.
Come on, then.
La 16, la 16. Il a défoncé la porte.
Everyone listen up. We've got a security alert. Keep a lookout for a guy in a big plastic ball. No, I'm serious.
Hurry up now. Activate the doors.
Pourquoi les billes?
Hurry up now. Activate the doors.
C'était quoi ça?
Wow.
Moi, à sa place, j'aurais eu la honte. Ok, jump. C'est...
No, get away.
Now I've got you.
Encore toi. Bataille. Yo-yo. Oh, mais c'est comme dans Airbound. Ah, mais c'est comme Airbound. Si vous voulez, ça ressemble à Airbound, ça ressemble à ça. Attendez, si elle... Attends, d'abord on va essayer toutes les attaques de... Oh là 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 là. Mais normalement, je dois augmenter de niveau là. On va utiliser le delta plan. Voilà, delta plan.
Help. Listen. You've defeated my right-hand man. You've defeated me. I surrender the airship to you.
Great work, Henry. Now just get him to us, and you'll get your life back.
Qu'est-ce qu'on va utiliser?
They're firing on us. Now we can take him down. Return fire!
Utiliser.
You think they're alright? Pretty big fall. I'm sure Henry had a plan.
Ah mais il est con alors.
What
C'est
is
lui
it?
qui va le sauver.
Henry!
Ça marche. On va utiliser le ballon.
Hey, did you hear something over there? Nah, man, I didn't hear nothing.
Accroche-toi. Accroche-toi bien. Ah, c'est un ours. Ah, je savais pas que c'était un ours, monsieur.